Got
Three,
this?
two,
Yeah.
1.
Okay. I will just do it on here then.
Okay.
That is so weird.
I know. I think. Well, my computer's like a refurbished computer, so sometimes it just freaks out randomly.
Mm,
So
yeah.
could that.
Makes
So
sense.
okay. Well, let's get started then.
Okay. I gotta go to work here soon too, though. So let's try and bust
Oh
through as
no.
much of this as we can.
Yeah, we'll go fast.
What time do you have to go back to work?
I probably gotta go at 5:30.
Okay. So really fast.
Okay. Okay, the true linear regression equation is y equals b. How did you say that? Like beta something.
Uh, beta null and beta 1 or something.
Yeah, x or
Beta alternative
Yeah.
something like
or
that.
beta 1, yeah.
So the
Okay.
correct answer is C, I think.
Yeah. That's what I would put.
hmm
Um,
And oh, go ahead.
sorry. Go ahead.
Oh, 4 is B.
Is the difference between observed value y and value predicted?
Yeah, that makes sense.
Okay.
Uh,
So a plot of residual supports using linear regression with um, what do you guys think it is?
Well, you're not really supposed to see a pattern in the residuals.
yeah, isn't it supposed to be that there's no pattern?
Yeah.
So I guess the last one would make the most sense.
With the zero mean?
Yeah, because you don't
But
want negative shape and you don't want them to all be positive.
Okay.
You don't want a pattern.
So I guess it's just process of elimination.
It says
Okay,
compute
so
the residuals for math self-efficacy data using software. Use the confidence data as the explanatory variable and score data as the response variable. Mm,
What statement best describes the residuals?
sorry, trying to pull it up.
Yeah, I need to
wait,
look
which
that
one
too.
was the y and which one's the x? Or the independent and dependent?
Let's see. So confidence data was the explanatory variable, which is the independent. 1 second. Sorry, I'm gonna go back and look.
Yeah, the confidence data is the x or the independent, and the score is the y or the dependent.
Okay, that makes sense.
And confidence interval is saved. Continue. So what are we looking for again?
What statement best describes the residuals?
Would that just be like the mean or
It has the options are the residuals are between about -40 and 25. The residuals are all negative, or the residuals form a linear pattern. Best describe.
Man! Whoa! I need you to know that you're not going to startle me in my first.
Wouldn't it be?
It's like my ear noise.
Sorry, go ahead. I'll be done in a minute.
Okay.
I honestly am not 100% sure what they're asking on the question.
I don't know either.
So, sorry, I'm just trying to pull up everything.
Yeah, same.
Because you have a Excel spreadsheet where if you take the data files from it and you place it in there, it'll give you all the residuals for it. So it'll list out all these residuals, so you can either see if they're all negative or if they're between -40 and 50 or whatever it was.
Uh-huh.
I'm pulling it all up. It's just loading super slow.
Okay, same.
They're all negative, if that's... No, I know. They are all between like 20 and -40.
It shouldn't be they form a linear pattern, though. I don't know how it would really be able to tell that
It
without
doesn't...
graphing it.
Yeah, I have like the graph of the residual, and they don't look linear at all. They look very scattered.
Okay.
So it'd be the first one?
Yes.
And they're not all negative.
No. They're between -40 and 25.
Okay. Perfect. And it says, sorry,
Would it be they're clearly not normal because the plot's definitely not linear, or is it skewed?
Okay.
because
Whoa. So it does. It looks like it follows that line.
so then it'd be fairly normal.
Yeah.
Okay.
It follows that line, but it's not linear.
I wish I could like show you guys the line,
I know mine's just not loading up.
but it looks very much like that line.
Okay. Well,
Here, let
hey
me
guys,
see.
I gotta get out of here, but
Okay.
I'm glad we got it started.
Yeah.
Sorry, there were so many technical difficulties.
Oh no, it's okay. All right, we'll see you guys later.
Okay.
See ya.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay. Yeah, sorry, my stuff is just acting up today.
This is just crazy.
Yeah. Okay, so it says use software to create a scatter plot of the math self-efficacy data given the scatter plot, residuals plot, and the QQ plot. Which of the 5 assumptions about linear regression are satisfied by this data?
Okay, so the QQ plot is like normal, and the residual like doesn't follow a pattern, and it doesn't have the megaphone thing.
Okay.
And I didn't ever do like the regular scatter plot of the data, so I'll do that right now.
Okay. So that would give us. Isn't there like 2 that you can't measure based on those 2 things or something?
Oh. Which ones?
Yeah, the x values being measured without error can't be checked directly, and then same about the observations being independent. So we could check just the first 3 boxes, right?
Oh, I think so.
Because we can't check the last 2.
It says to check all of the requirements provided by inference, you need the scatter plots, a residual plot, and the QQ plot. And they all
Yeah.
look like according to what the guy or Brother Cromar said in the videos. Like the regular one has like a hot dog shape, and then the residual like looks good, and the QQ plot looks pretty normally distributed. So
Yeah. Okay. Perfect. And
So-
then
8 says there is a linear relationship between x and y. I think so, isn't there?
yeah, because that's what the first one checks for. And then the second one we checked for using the QQ plot. The third one we checked using the residual plot. But we can't check the last 2. So that's why I was saying we can't check them.
Oh, that's what you were saying. Oh, okay, yeah.
Yeah,
I get
sorry.
you. So it's just the first 3.
Perfect.
Alright. So what is B1 the estimate for the slope?
I'm so sorry that like none of my crap is pulling up today.
It's all good. B1 is like the one on the bottom, right? That's the X.
Let me double check, but I'm pretty sure you're right. You can go check that one at least for you. Your B1, yeah, is the second one, the bottom one.
Okay. So that one says that it's 12.695.
Sweet. And then confidence interval.
Let me check. The confidence interval on the bottom still, correct?
Yes, I believe. Let me.
Okay, so that one says 10.674 is the lower bound, and then the upper one is 14.715.
Okay.
Is that one of the options?
Close. I have a 10.708 to a 14.742.
I would say that one.
Yeah, same. Okay, says based on the evidence and using level of significance of alpha equals 0.05, what decision would you make regarding the hypotheses test for B1?
The level of significance is 0.000.
The p-value?
Yeah,
Okay.
it's 0.0000.
The B rejects the null hypothesis because the p-value is less than alpha.
Yes.
Okay, perfect. And
For a
then
hypothesis test for B1, if you reject the null hypothesis, what does it mean?
So it'd be C. There is sufficient evidence to conclude that the slope of the regression line is not 0.
Yep.
Sweet.
So
Or-
for the crocodile data, which variable is the dependent variable? And that's the body length.
I thought that was the head length.
No, because we were using like the head length to determine the body length. So like how big the head is determines how big the body is.
Gotcha. Okay. Since the 99% confidence interval for these data is 7.142 to 8.311, what can you say about B1 or beta 1? Probably B, right?
I think so. That's what it sounds. That sounds good.
Well,
Because the C doesn't even make any sense.
yeah.
And I don't think A makes sense either.
Yeah.
Alright. So you want to submit it?
Let's do it. Well, that's not too bad.
93.
Oh, we missed the last one.
Oh, lame. What would that have been then? Probably A, because I don't understand what that even means.
I don't know. I'm not sure on that one. Because, I don't know. Oh, well.
Let's see.
All the orphans in the whole world.
Yeah, I don't know. But 93 isn't bad.
Yeah, it's really not.
Alright.
Well,
I'll put this up on the discussion board and hopefully it works better hopefully it works better later this week.
yeah, let's hope. Perfect. Thank
All right.
you.
Yep, talk to you later. Bye.
Yeah, bye.